Work out the following without using a calculator. We've got 36 divided by 6 times 2, 5 times 6 divided by 3, 7 plus 6 minus 5, 8 plus 3 times 7, 12 minus 4 divided by 2. Now we have this idea of what's known as BIDMAS. So the rule is brackets, indices, division and multiplication. Now you must do this maybe working from left to right, and then addition and subtraction working from left to right, but it's not so essential in that last case. Here it is, and I'll show you it using the first example. So we've got 36 divided by 6 times 2. So the bit that we do first is the 36 divided by 6, which is 6. So then we've got to multiply that by 2, and 2 6s is 12. If we did it the other way, i.e. working right to left, we're going to get this. I got 36 divided by 6 times 2. Now 6 times 2 is 12. So it's 36 divided by 12. And 36 divided by 12 is 3. So that's not right. You can see that's not right. This is 12. You can check these using a calculator if you like. Alright, so this is why we have the idea of working left to right. The next one, okay, we've got, in fact, this one, it actually doesn't matter if you work left to right, but just use that as a general rule. We've got 5 times 6, which is 30, divided by 3. 30 divided by 3 is 10. Part C, you've got 7 plus 6 minus 5. 7 plus 6 is 13 minus 5, and that will give me 8. But you can see if we did 6 minus 5 and got 1, 7 plus 1 would also give me 8. But again, just try to work from this sort of general rule going from left to right. D, you've got 8 plus 3 times 7. So this bit obviously you're going to do first. So that's going to be 8. So if you would like, you can put brackets in. The brackets are not essential, but you can actually put brackets in a question if it helps you see that you must do that bit first. So we've got 8 plus 3 times 7. 3 times 7 is 21. 8 plus 21 is 29. And the last one, we've got 12 minus 4, 4 divided by 2. So again, you're going to do this bit first. And again, you can put brackets in to help you remember to do it first. So 4 divided by 2 is 2. So we're going to have 12 minus 2. And then 12 minus 2 is going to be 10. Okay, so it's been an introductory video to show you how to do BIDMAS. Really, in this video, we just looked at division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.